Do you feel, based upon what your organization has uncovered, that just she is thoroughly corrupt? How would you describe her to somebody who didn't know Hillary Clinton?
She was in it for power and money, and I think the two were intermingled for her. And the rules didn't. The rules, as far as she was concerned, was for the little people. We saw that on security. We saw that the money she was taking in at the State Department, not only at the foundation bill, but through her husband's speaking fees. This is money. They are married. So when he gets a $500,000 from the Russians, it goes into her bank accounts too, in theory. Uh, this is someone who had this thirst for power, and she was willing to do pretty much anything to make sure that she had the resources to get it.
Do you believe Donna Brazil's contention that the Clinton campaign bought the election? They had it wrapped up from the beginning. Do you believe that?
Well, I mean, I read the memo. They certainly were running the DNC. I don't know whether that's a criminal scandal or not. I think the inverse image of that scandal is that Bernie let her do it.
Yeah, I think Bernie knew. He had to know that the superdelegates were never going to break for him.
Sure,
All
and
right.
Brazil told him that.
Now, your organization is not a partisan organization in the sense that it just goes after Democrats or liberals. You want to know about everybody. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so Donald Trump. Where do we stand with him? Do you believe that there was collusion on the part of his campaign with the Russians? Do you believe that Mr. Trump is in any danger legally?
Well, I think he may be in danger legally. Whether that danger is fair or not is another matter. I don't see any evidence of collusion. It's interesting. Mueller's has investigated Manafort, and there's a mortgage fraud charge and tax evasion and working with the Ukrainians on issues unrelated to the campaign. They're looking at Mike Flynn, his other aide, National Security Advisor General, his ties to Turkey, but nothing on collusion.